We're working on getting these 3 in because they're the only 3 windows that we have. So they're going up there, hopefully today. They're cutting trees down over there and got an excavator over there and
that rock.
really?
Hey, she's filming. Do a butt slide.
He's trying to get hurt.
No, I gotta move my leg back. That way you did it. Why? Is that too much of a drop?
Ready? Ready?
Go forward.
We got Diesel.
The butt slide.
Now we gotta climb up my ladder again.
Hold
Just
this
gonna do
down.
that.
Okay, it's all felt busted. We can't do the tops because they're curved windows and we have to make the curve when the windows are in, so but we're ready to put them in.
I have 2.
We're just putting these boards here because the curved windows can't come with the 3 1/4 brick mold, so we can actually insert them from the inside of the house and bring them out this way, and then they just touch against the pieces of plywood and we set them that way.
You know when we're really gonna suck? That one. That ground is so uneven, it's brutal.
If we ever get it.
We'll have to build it up, put plywood or something.
Now, is that before you put up or after? That's the question.
Well, no, you gotta put them up there. You want to be able to set it onto it. Just go up and set them on there. Okay, so where your ladders are long, you need to be beside the window and then take the window up like that and then set it there. Okay? You see what you're doing? Like that? No, no more where you think the edge of the jam is going to be 1 inch in from the outside. 1 inch in from the outside. 1 inch in, from the edge. 1 inch from the edge of the window. Oh, yeah, keep going. Yeah, that's good. I don't know how you're going to get it from this side again to the other side again.
No, they're gonna walk
I'm gonna walk up.
this way.
Like this.
I wanna carry it this way.
Yeah.
Up with it.
Like we did with sheets. Go. Like we did with sheets.
Yeah, but this isn't a sheet, so you'll get to slide it up the ladder.
I know.
That's what the problem is.
Can you hold this ladder down maybe?
Set?
You got it? You're a good pal? You want me to hold the ladder? What do you want me to do?
So take, we gotta go together, right? Ready? Set?
You hold him.
Set it down if you want to set.
So.
I'm gonna go at least one more.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
Now set it down, thingies. Now let's just slide it.
Oh,
You good?
you're blocked on the inside.
Okay, hold on. Don't let it tip back in. You can
The
keep it
belt
that way.
buster's clock too.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna be figuring out in a sec.
Lift it.
Other side of
Set it down.
Okay, so I can't get my fingers over there. You have to push it back through after.
Okay, go. Ready? Yeah.
the. It just gets, yeah, restricting you.
Okay,
I just push it out of the way.
I'm here.
Okay.
I'm at the end of the plywood there.
That's my plywood.
Okay, second one is somewhat in. Got 1 to go.
Well, I thought you would go out the door with the ladder.
You know, I'm a weird one, so.
Really?
Said I'm a weird one, so I'm just breaking through.
Me and Dad are like super tired today.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Right, gonna sit down.
Yeah, go ahead.
The fellow upstairs can probably stop you on this side now.
We can staple it in better if you want. The top of the seat, yeah, let's just take it down and staple it better.
Okay, I got it.
They're two different colors anyways, eh?
What's two different colors?
The doors and that.
Oh, really?
That's the yellowy color, I think, and that's the true color. If you go look inside, it looks like.
You have to put the bottom in and then kind of tip it towards the top.
No, it's the felt lister's too tight. And it's a radius, not tight against the corner.
Okay, so what do you want?
I don't know.
Do you wanna put the window down?
I want this. I want a stretcher. Can I get a felt lister stretcher?
No, but I can give you a knife and
It'll
then
go
the
in.
tape.
Yeah.
Put the corner of the window in and then it'll go.
Well, I got it on both sides, so I gotta like cut it and tape it. So, do me a favor.
Hold his balance coming down.
that.
That's those big flippers.
Yeah, I know.
Wow. You know what? I could get used to this, guys. Why don't you just set up a TV?
Goes on that wall.
Okay, well, we gotta put the couch on that wall. You're gonna end up with light blasted in here,
I know, we're not gonna be able to
and
see
you
the
won't be able to
TV.
see your TV.
I thought about it. But it's the only wall that I have, unless I put it on that one. But it's the only wall I
You
have.
could put it up in the middle of that window.
No.
Do you like the arc, or?
I just feel like tainted, like, I don't know.
Tainted?
Yeah, like my opinion is tainted because of all the bullshit, you know? Like, it's not like I got the windows and it's like, oh, exciting, and like, we get to put them in, and it's like.
They
we only
ruined
got-
the excitement.
Yeah, we only got 3 windows.
This time next year, might have them all. You figure 1 month per window, there's 24 windows, so a couple of years we'd get them in. We're ahead 3 months right now.
No, 5.
So we get the rest of the winter off, we'll come back when the rest of the windows show up.
Stapler!
We'll put this window in.
Yeah, try this again now.
Do you want me to do it?
No, I was just making it so it just fits in nice. Instead of fighting with it.
You want me to push you up? Like,
No.
or like, turn your mouth?
Yeah, hold this bad. Better?
There it is. Got a lot more room on this one.
I was afraid of that one.
There it is.
Okay, my turn. Standing.
Unless you want me to do it.
Did I do a holes? No, I need to check it and bubble.
You drilled the hole. But I'm not getting down until you're at least
There it is. Dun dun dun.
What?
Nothing, I need to run up the other ladder. Give me a measurement here to here.